today I will be cooking egg fried rice. I just saw it on YouTube. I don't know if it's actually oh, my hair is ugly. Wait a second. Okay, we have only a little rice, so I'm just going to make it a small onion. This onion part of this. Onion is part of this. Rice is just only small. Look at that. It's just small. It's gonna. So if you ask like why is just small, you know, I learned that you should not cut the roots so you will not cry. I was like, is that true? We're just gonna cut like this, but we would end up cutting the root though. It scared me. I'm gonna cut the root, I'm sorry. So we're just gonna cut it like this. I can't cut like a chef. Seriously, I don't have the properties. I remember I just saw this on YouTube, okay? I'm just following YouTube. Smile, I tell you, smile. I'm gonna do this. Don't know what I'm doing. Let's make it small. I'm not good at cooking, so don't be mad at me. Cleaning. And we're going with garlic. We did that for like just take out the skin. I think I kind of saw that. Take out the skin. The one on YouTube that I saw, they put it in soy sauce. Do I have soy sauce in here? I don't know. It's literally like 12, almost 1. Didn't eat lunch. And then I'm cooking. I'm just so tired. What is this? Thinly sliced, people. Thinly sliced. Don't worry. I know how to use a knife. Thinly sliced. Drenched. Why am I doing drenched? Drenched in soy sauce. Because that's the sauce for the rice. Ooh. Sorry about my hair. It's just lying down one moment ago. So I was so tired. And I'll just wash it. Okay, so this bowl is just gonna be. Wait! Was it part of the bowl? Wait, I need to go back. I have to look back at the video. I just realized we have no spring onion. We're gonna do it without it. We're gonna do it without it. I don't care. So this one, we have this for the sauce. I'm gonna have soy sauce. What kind of soy sauce is here? What is this? Toisin oyster. Oh, this one. This is soy sauce. I know this. Literally has fried rice in it. Okay. Oh, wow, it looks so pretty. I'm not gonna put too much. It has some salt. The oil is kind of needful. Okay, wait. And a pinch of salt. It's a little bit. Mix. This is like the most. This is supposed to make it the egg fried rice. This is supposed to be like this. I'm good at egg mixing at least, because I keep mixing eggs every day. What is this? I don't know what I'm doing, but okay. Okay, so we got the pan, right, people? The pan. Hit a joke. We heated. We have the rice. So first we're going with onions, but we have to put oil. The onions. I put the phone specifically here because we don't want to burn and explode. So funny. This is the power of the hand. The heat of the pan. You have to find the heat. Okay. I don't know what it's gonna taste like without spring onion. Really don't know what it tastes like without spring onion. It might taste bad. And I did it so bad. It's okay. It can be. Mostly I like my onions, this onions like crisp. I don't know. I just like it crisp. Next we got the egg. Saw egg. Whoa! Egg. We got the egg, everyone. We're mixing the egg properly so that it will fit the fried rice. And this rice is just an old rice. Reason why I did fried rice because we got old rice. This old rice is gonna be next. Here we go. Nice. Huh. Not see that. Did not see that. Okay. Wow, we got rice. I don't know how to flip this thing though. I'm not a good flipper. Anyone good at flipping? Come, please. And then we got the sauce. Okay, we're just gonna put it in here. Ooh, no, it looks so pretty. I don't have green onion though. Wait a second. We'll do this. This is beautiful to look at, right? We have to put a very nice thing, you know. It has to look nice. It's part of the art. We'll make it look nice. Part of the art, okay? Ooh, ooh. I'm scared. It doesn't have spring onion. It doesn't look right, but it's still fried rice. It's still fried rice. And that, my brethren, is the egg fried rice. Let's do a taste test. Ooh, yeah, let's see. It doesn't have spring onion. I think it will taste better with spring onion, but don't have the ingredient at the moment. Oh wait, we pray first. We pray first. Amen. Okay, let's test. Should I make it like a mukbang? Joke. You're like... It's so funny. It will be better if there's spring onion, but it already tastes good, even as itself. If you have no spring onion, it still works, okay? But it would be better if there's spring onion. It's delicious. It's decent to eat, at least. It might not come up in the restaurant, but it might not come up in the restaurant, but at least it's decent to eat for yourself. I give this a 7 or 8 out of 10. Yeah, because there's no spring onion. Okay, thank you guys for watching this random vlog that I decided to make. Bye.